going to continue with our topic sex composition and the sex ratio. So sex ratio of the world is 1020 males per thousand females. Means in world there are more males as compared to the females. In the world sex ratio is the 1020 males per thousand females, and the highest sex ratio is found in the country of Europe, Latvia. Latvia is a country in Europe having highest sex ratio, that is 85 males per 100 females. On 100 females there are only 85 males, and the lowest sex ratio is found in the world is found in the country of Qatar. Qatar is a country in Asia having 311 males per 100 females. In Latvia there are only 85 males per 100 females, but in Qatar having lowest sex ratio, that is 311 males per 100 females. If you are talking about India, in India the highest sex ratio is found in the states of Kerala. If you are talking about India, in Indian scenario, highest sex ratio is found in the Kerala, that is 1084 female per 1000 male. 1084 female per 1000 male, and the lowest sex ratio is found in the state of Haryana, that is 879 female per 1000 male according to the sex ratio of 2011. Now the next topic is and on an average the average sex ratio of India is average sex ratio of India is 943 female per 1000 male. The average sex ratio of India, that is 943 female per 1000 male. Our next topic is age structures. Our next topic will be the age structure. Age structure means the representation of sex composition of area. The method of the representation of the sex composition of an area. The methods are the age sex pyramid. Age and sex pyramids. The age and sex pyramids are used to show the age groups and the sex group of the population found in a particular area. So there are three different types of the age and sex pyramids we will discuss now. Age sex pyramids are of three types. First is the expanding population, second is the constant population, and third is the declining population. So in expanding population, if you draw a diagram of the expanding population, on this margin we will show the age groups. Like we start from 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, in this way up to 90 to 100. And in this margin we will show the percentage of population. Percentage of population in certain age group. For example, in 0 to 10 years, the percentage of population from 0 to 10, and this is the divider of the male and female ratio. So from 0 to 10, for example, the bar diagram can be of this type. This is the pyramid of expanding population whose base is expanding and the top is narrow is known as the expanding pyramid. From 0 to 10 years the population is more, and the age group from 90 to 100 the population is very less. So this is known as the expanding pyramid. Second is the constant pyramid. So in expanding pyramid, the example is of India can be of one type of expanding pyramid. Second is the constant population. The constant population is found in the country of Australia. In Australian country there is constant population. So the pyramid can be of this type. Almost same. There is no much variation found between the age group. This is the expanding pyramid whose base and the top are almost equal. This is known as the expanding pyramid. The third is the declining pyramid. The example for we earlier discussed the constant pyramid was Australia, and for the declining pyramid the example is the Japan. For constant pyramid example is Australia, and for the expanding pyramid example is India, whose population is expanding day by day. So in the declining pyramid the pyramid can be of this type. In the aging population that pyramid is wider, but in the 0 to 10 age group the base is the narrow. This shows that according to age the population of that country is declining. So these are the three types of the age pyramid. That's it for today. We'll discuss further in our